Jack Van Straten, Emily, Minnesota, lived in Rochester for 35 years. Well, my opinion is one of it's too liberal what happened with the Supreme Court. I believe the country is not headed in the right direction. Socialism is not something that made our country great. It's capitalism, free enterprise, and we're heading away from that. Well, the way they wrote the bill was something that a lot of people did not agree with, but the problem there was that they had to pass it before, as Nancy Pelosi said, they would be able to read it. So therefore they're voting on things that they really don't understand because they haven't read the bill. I just believe the way it's set up now, with the socialistic aspect of the quote-unquote free medicine, is not right. People today feel they are entitled, keyword, entitled to things. I don't go along with that. I'm afraid it's going to be the final ruling unless Congress can modify Obamacare and or repeal it.
I'm Deontay Emerson from Rochester, Minnesota, and I'm a student. I think it's a good thing that they upheld the Affordable Care Act. The Affordable Care Act isn't perfect, but I definitely know that it has healthcare going in the right direction for the United States. I think it's good because it's making healthcare more accessible, and I want to live in a place where everybody's taken care of and not just people who have the means to take care of themselves. I know there's a lot of opposition, and I know that there's a lot of different opinions going around. I'm sure there'll be a discussion about it going on for a long time.
My name's Jerry Wendelken. I'm from Taylor, Michigan. Formerly employed by National Steel, which is now U.S. Steel, and I frankly don't understand why it took so long to get to that point.
Why do you, does that mean that you are supportive of the ruling?
No, well yes, I'm supportive of the ruling, not of the, everything's gone up since they passed the Obamacare. It's not a big help. Fortunately, I'm old enough that I'm on Medicare, but everyone I know that has to pay for insurance, their prices have gone up tremendously since Obamacare took over. I believe the ruling is a good ruling, and formerly I've been an independent all my life, but I'm not in favor of Obamacare.
I'm Kelly Sutton from Rochester. Well, I didn't have any doubt about it in the first place. I think that Minnesota Care needs to happen, and that I have faith that it's a good thing that it's happening, that it won't have to be ruled for again. Because overall, I think they have the best in mind as far as having everybody have insurance. Minnesota's a big state as far as having a lot of people come here for medical care, and with that, we need to have people have medical insurance. That's how we sustain our, or I suppose that's how we sustain our city here, our society. Probably won't do any more ruling on this.
I'm Mary Jacks. I'm from Rochester, and I work for Sodexo Food Service at Mayo Clinic. If it's for the people, that would be great. I think it's going to be, there will be some more talk about it.
My name's Rick Brendel. I'm from Albuquerque, New Mexico. I'm in favor of it. As I understand it, I like the fact that they are subsidizing. I like the fact that some people are going to require subsidization for health care being subsidized. I'm not sure it would be the final ruling. I would be fine with it if it were.
I'm Teresa Stoskopf, and I'm from Casson. I think that a lot of thought and decision-making went into it, so I think it was a good thing. I think because the healthcare is just so, the package that Obama put together is just so big and vast that if the ruling that they found in favor, I disagree with the justices that are on the Supreme Court.